Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what's for dinner, and hopefully this will give you some dinner ideas and inspiration for your family. So for the first night we had smoked ribs. My husband just smoked these in our smoker outside all throughout the day. And along with this meal we had some cornbread and baked beans. And that is what we had for Monday night. On Tuesday, we had some leftover scrambled eggs that we had for breakfast over the weekend. So I just took those leftover scrambled eggs with potatoes and sausage and made a little soft taco. And as you can see here, my son Levi is eating a leftover pancake because we had some of those too. So breakfast for dinner on Tuesday night. On the third night, we just kept it simple. I took some refried rosarita beans, added some garlic salt and sour cream to them, and just made bean tostadas. Along with that, we had some frozen taquitos. I just heated those in the microwave with some sprinkled melted cheese and sour cream, which we shared, and that was our meal for Wednesday. The next night, we had some pasta, so a little bit of pasta sauce with some ground beef meat sauce, along with a side salad with croutons and ranch. Spaghetti is always a hit in our household, and a lot of times we'll make a little bit more than necessary. So on this night we had leftovers, and we took some popcorn chicken and made some chicken parm along with some hamburger buns for our garlic bread. And that is it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Bye!